I know we don't go live, right? I know we feel like we don't touch all the life. It's a touch life. I'm oxygen general, you know, even me feel from. Yes, a touch life, bro. No, I don't want to hear that. Me ask you a question. Me ask you a question. Feel life? I feel like. Sometimes it's a regret when you love when you really come to the something you're going to get dark on me. You know, dark on me is so well. I tell you, you're down dark on me, so sometimes you just want to come to the just like that. See, I come to the way around time. And then, yeah. You know, people do a set like that. I'm not saying just a person. I'm saying, you know, get dark, you know, you see now? Yeah, but no, but you do, I'm not high. I'm saying, I make that boy can't build, so I saw that boy have to build, that's same fit build.
That's true.
I'm buying say so. Father, that's why I said to him, I just tell the boy them, say, Father God working, he put me here phone ring. He goes on to cut his phone. You see a person when you keep it on the life. Where I say, where my height? And them call it. I say, I knew you, me I watch a blood clot thing from.
Yeah.
Awesome, I keep it so. I keep it so from.
Yeah, man, blessed, bro. Give thanks, man. Blessed, bro. That's all for normal local vibes, you know. Blessed.
Put on this script there and hold this.
Yeah, man, give thanks, bro. Give thanks. Yeah, man, blessed I. Man, big up yourself in general. Man, bless up yourself, man. Blessed. Man, hope you're having a blessed Monday afternoon or morning, wherever you are. London. We're there in the north part of England, the Midlands. There in Peterborough at the moment. Big up yourself. Come on, blessed. Come on, blessed, give many thanks and praise. Come on, active and positive. Give thanks. Good.
Awa. Eh? Awa.
No, man, there's some people that find live that tune in.
See, I get them sometime, man.
Give them a yellow.
I'm a blood clot. I want to make myself basic.
Yeah, man, time is cool, man.
Actually,
very
time
cool.
cool, everybody blood clotting.
Sure, look a love and something.
Mumbo clot. As a tada thing, they have your people.
Yeah, man, I will give thanks and praise.
From where? As a month of none, not be people. Bless up in yourself. And big up in yourself.
Blessing of the Almighty, man. I got
bad one them and a real one them.
Yeah, man, big up
Bless up in yourself. I love how the thing look over YouTube look good, fun. 2 nights ago over YouTube is looking fine.
True.
I like it. Respect and big up on yourself. Who bad comment, who no bad comment. Respect on yourself. Watch out. Hey boy, if me ever tell you say I start one more time, I'm licking in the yeah. Stop. Don't yourself and don't make nobody put it down. Don't. I will start from. Wait, that's a walk.
Boston, big up yourself. Come on, bless up, bless up, bless up. We give thanks and praise to the energy. You know, we give thanks and praise. Come on, bless upon yourself, people in America, you know, respect you. You know, people all over. It's all about positiveness, you know.
Last night, the man said, you screen a card one sitting last night.
Yeah man, people all over the world, we're African brothers and sisters, Caribbean brothers and sisters, you know, bless upon yourself. People them in Europe, you know, many thanks and praise. Big up the family them in the Bronx, Brooklyn and in Florida. You know, many respect. Big up all the British people them, same way. Big up the whole of North Africa, see, East Africa, South Africa, West Africa. You say one Africa to the world. Jamaica, big up on yourself. From St. Thomas to Westmoreland, big up on yourself. East, West, North and South. Let me say it's just all about positiveness, you know, keeping yourself active in a positive way. Yeah man, every time, big up the herbs every time, man. Every time. Every time.
Who else are watching? Who else said know me? Who else said know Ras? Who else said know? A global thing global. I say I give
last night the people them mash you up bad last night with them bad comments, boy. But
no man, I like that man. I
we still give thanks and praise.
You have to send it to me so I can read them. Last time I did them one different taste till that. I'm say I'm not pre you know. Tonight I now make them jail me energy.
Positiveness still, you know.
And really and truly some people depend their talk. Positive thing.
Yeah, man, positive.
Why you people coming over here with all your hatred?
Hello, what's up?
Why don't you
what's up? Outside Jadi here. Bless upon yourself. Yeah man, greetings. Yeah man, greetings. Come on, up top. Saturday night, you know, went to a place called Nottingham, you know, the further part in England, to my son-in-law, Earthstrong, you know, just a local family reunion. And I was going live and thing, and you know, there was so many bad comments, I couldn't believe it. You know, so much negative comments. But we still give thanks and praise still, you know, even the ones who, you know, saying so much negative comments, you know. And we really make that stop with still. You know, we just try and do the good, try and do the right.
This is it from.
Oh, you're from Wales. Alright, big up yourself. Wales in the house. Wales in the house. I'm in Peterborough. Big up Birmingham. Yeah man. All my English people, big up on yourself, man. Give thanks. It's like how all the English people them is here. I want to send a shout out to DJ AG. You know, anywhere he is, DJ AG, online DJ. Bless up.
I got some last night. Night before. I'm coming. Look what I'm sick. I'm in.
Yeah man, enough love my brethren, enough love man. Bless up.
Look now.
Yeah man, love injection. Bless up. Big up all the people them from Isle of Man. Oh my God, Bless up, bless up, bless up. Watch your man, we big up all the people them in Britain, man. All the people them. From Southampton to Scotland, big up everyone. From Cardiff, Wales, everywhere. Big up on yourself. South Africa, big up on yourself, man. My brothers and sisters, bless up. One love, one love. One love, one heart. Let's get together now and feel alright. Respect, respect, man, respect. Bless up all the Americans in the house. Bless up. Give many thanks and praise. You know, positiveness.
You see that? I am for stay there. Nice meeting you, my brother. Be a good comment
yes.
over there.
Yeah, man, nice to meet you as well, man. I'm here. It's me, Jadi.
Eh?
You know, we're just keeping it normal, just having a little conversation. You know. I really give thanks and praise to the blessings, man. It's good ones and ones can communicate on a positive level. Jamaican Delight is in the house. You know, Jamaican Delight, it is a food shop where I work, and Jamaican Delight is here also. Jamaican Delight. Jamaican Delight. Come show your face, man. People want to see Jamaican Delight. Come through, man. Yeah, man, come through, man. No, well, you know, one link same way, you know. You know, one link same way. No, but when we're at the shop, at least, you know, them still pass through and communicate on the live.
Pick up on yourself, stop
Yeah, man, this is Jamaican Delight, man. Otherwise known as Brother Clive.
Yeah.
Man, bless up on yourself.
Big up on yourself, people. Hope you all having a great evening. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, well, everybody do everything, you know. Everyone do everything, you know. Some people stop smoke, some people smoke, you know. It's just how it go.
Yeah.
That's how it go.
Yeah.
You know,
Movements, people.
everyone can, you know, do the same thing. But big respect.
Yeah, man, big up on yourself. I'm out.
Yeah, jerk chicken for dinner. No, well, I don't know what the man them having today, you know. Tell them what why them having today.
I'm having some lobster today.
Lobster.
Lobster day.
Yeah, lobster day.
Seafood day.
Seafood. Alright. Yes, man. Yeah, man, all the people them from Canada, wanna big up on yourself. I have a little nephew in Toronto, you know, in Canada there. I hope one of the time I get a chance to go, you know, and visit Canada, you know. My first trip from England here, I think it will be our motherland, Africa, you know. Travel and thing, you know, get to meet and greet people. Look up all the people them from Leeds, Yorkshire, oh my God. Bless up on yourself, man. Lovely Yorkshire, Leeds. Lovely people. Big up on yourself. As you know, it's not so cold at the moment, you know, for this time of year, you know, it normally be cold, you know, very cold, but we give thanks it's not so cold today. Yeah. Bring the tripod when you're forward now, please. Lemonade, no. May I forgive, may I use my thing here, may I tell, or maybe the virgin there, he will have to call Mama and tell her to get one. Because I'm using my thing here. Yeah, it's going to rain. It look like that, you know. They say rain don't fall and one house stop, so when it fall, it will fall. We give thanks for whatever the Almighty throw at us. We give thanks. They say the man who want to go out and sport every day, he don't like the rain. And the man who plant and, you know, farm up the land, till the soil, he love when the rain fall. But that's how it goes. No, I'm not in Jamaica, you know. I know it look like Jamaica and thing. We are Jamaican, but we are in England. The Midlands, at a place called Peterborough. She don't come from the shop yet.
Oh, my God. Madu man, walk mad, you know.
Yeah, man, thanks.
My name is Madu man. Now in them go
Yeah,
after
black
Claudia.
one there, you know, because I don't want them popping out the line.
Bang for your sweater. Go for your put on your sweater. Go. Go for your sweater first. Yeah, go, yeah. Yeah? Yeah, go and put a... And not that one, the next one, Yeah.
Oh, is that the song you're listening to? Or that's the song you want to hear from Bitley McLean?
Can't go... A 4% fun, you know? I like something like that, you know? You like something like that? I like for the same.
Lil, are you coming outside with JJ? No, he's not coming outside here. JJ not come outside.
No, I'm not saying for put on your sweater.
Why you making him coming out?
I'm alone when I come, coming over here.
Yeah, but you don't want him, you don't want him.
No, they ain't it.
Okay. I mean, everything you want people to, you know? Put on that thing. Let's give us a second there. Never can get that thing there off and then after. And slide it on that thing and so we should do it. And everything more have to go on.
Turn your road, sir.
Yeah, man, come through. Yeah.
Yes, hello. I went on chat. That's all I want. That's all I want.
Oh, sorry about that.
No work so far.
My apologies.
What?
Oh, that's the song in your head when you see the rain. Okay. It is a beautiful song still, sung by Bitley McLean.
They smile with you, laugh with you, but deep down, they want your place. They act like your friends, but they secretly...
Adios amigos, my brother. Adios amigos.
But this time, zero you and chronic laugh. And this is just to prove what we have been saying for years. Even though anywhere thinking Jamaica would have already believed, but They are trying to save the masses. Boy,
I tell you, it was dewing down just now, but the rain now has stopped. The cloud is moving over, but you know, you can see a little bit of evening sunshine, sunset.
What if I told you there's a place? This is the blood pressure hotel parents.
You are not getting jacket. Clean as this. And that's good quality. So great good. Anyway, I've been repping this a lot. A lot of the people now looking at
Where?
got pockets on there.
I want to fuck that.
Comes in a
Never
load of
done.
different colours. I personally think the blue one and this one. You're seeing this, you probably live in the UK, look outside, it's probably also red. So you don't get this one. 12 quid. You are not getting a jacket as clean as this. Nice good quality. 12 Great British pounds anyway. Yeah, I've been repping this a lot. A lot of the people now literally read it from TikTok shop. Got pockets on there, the quality is actually decent as well. It's 12 fucking pounds. It comes in a load of different colours, but I personally think the blue one and this one is good. If you're seeing this, you probably live in the UK, look outside, it's probably also red. So if you do want to get this one,
Oh, fuck
you
yeah.
are not getting a jacket as clean as this.
Rub, 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 rub.
Got pockets on there, the quality is actually decent as well. It's 12 fucking pounds. It comes in a load of different colours, but I personally think the blue one and this one is good. If you're seeing this, you probably live in the UK, look outside, it's probably also red. So if you do want to get this one, 12 quid. You are not getting a jacket.
Yes, sir. That's it.
That's good quality. 12 British pounds anyway. Yeah, I was not for this.
You got the scissors.
Comes in a load of different colours.
What's the next thing that I like? Yeah, the one.
You got the scissors, Davin.
I've been repping this a lot. I'm not going to keep them down. Got pockets on there. The quality is actually decent as well. It's 12 flipping pounds. It comes in a load of different colours, but I personally think the blue one and this one is good. If you're seeing this, you probably live in the UK. Look outside, it's probably also.
Okay, greetings. Greetings, greetings.
You are not getting that. That's good quality. 12 Great British pounds anyway. Yeah, I've been repping this a lot. A lot of the people now literally. So my struggle to perform in the
Well, if you are eating that, we don't want to know what you are eating. Whatever you're eating, you keep that to yourself. And don't get funny. You hear that? Bless up on yourself. Yes, my G. Bless up.
you want to boost your energy and stop feeling absolutely shattered all the time. Take this if you want to stop feeling stressed out all the time for no reason. Take this if you want to turn into a flipping beast in the gym. See, most people just spend hundreds on getting all these supplements. To then take like 15 pills a day. Rather than doing it, you can get this stuff, which has got all the supplements in there. You also pay a fraction of the price. I've personally been taking the Mega Male one, which has got all the stuff that's going to boost your test. And I'm now benching the most I ever have. Wrestling, time. And if I'm a person, you can get these for the price of a pizza. So if you didn't get them, we'll look like. Take this if you want to boost your energy and stop feeling absolutely shattered all the time. Take this if you want to stop feeling stressed. You're gonna sniff every weekend. At least I do want to leave.
Go, I'm getting out. I want to go.
You're gonna sniff every weekend. At least I do want to leave. You're gonna sniff every
Yeah, my own. No, we're not going nowhere. Sometimes you have to go and go to the I'm not going.
Somebody told me why it was like less than my price that it cost me 30 quid. I'm not happy with that. I've been recommending it a lot. A lot of the people are looking well. Got pockets in there. The quality is actually decent. Comes in a load of different things. I trust it. Blue one and this one. The same as it's probably in the UK. Look outside. It's probably someone struggled to perform in the bedroom.
Bad man time. Go on. Go on. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, well, there's a couple of them. I was there talking to them, man. I want to bless up on yourself.
JJ, go. Go with mommy. Yeah, go.
Yeah, bless up on yourself. We are in England.
Sorry, I forget me because you need to come
Yeah. No, not in Africa. We are in England. Midlands.
Go and wipe your face. Go and clean your face up. Go.
Yes, that's right.
Show
The
them how to
UK.
clean up. You show some clean up and stuff.
Yeah, that's where we are. We are in the UK.
Right, so what box the way up? Where is the boxes?
Let me have a look. You see the cars over there for me now. Oh boy. Yeah, no, this is not Bradford. Hey. No, not Bradford. Are you in Bradford, up Bradford side? Yeah, man, this is West Midlands. Washington, big up on yourself. Big up on my lovely people over there in America. You know, I've got families. I've got a few friends there. So big up on yourself. You know, hope you're having a great day. You know.
I can't hear you. Hey? Okay.
Let us not fire that brother, please.
I'm just going to reply back to my text.
Let us not fire that, please. They fire.
You're mad. You know, also when I like up nothing.
Yeah, so me just stand up over there, so you know, I'm not stand close to them side.
This might be UK. Yes, this is the UK.
I'm sure let me tell you.
Where did he go? Which one of us? He or him? Me? Which one of us?
I don't know. They're talking. Maybe it's me.
Alright, that vibe there. I like it.
Yeah, man.
Where look up? Oh, sure. The church. Washington State. This is the UK states.
When they are Washington State. Washington State.
Yeah, I'm right there. Connection at it. What?
Thank you, Davin. Thank you.
I wish you the richest blessing. Yeah? Long life,
Thank you.
health and strength. Yeah? Family, kids, the general who is trying. Hear that? Big up yourself.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
100, big up yourself. Hear that?
Thank you.
Hey, Timmy dog.
I'll call you back in a bit. Bye.
What do you know? Find out why I'm still have someone linking up England. You see? God on time. Nearly give up, but God on time. Cannot sleep, cannot smile. Eyes get still I look back at that. You know where I'm supposed to go today. And you're gonna yesterday I said, what on? No way I don't talk to me this. And but I'm glad all the rest of the rest of there when we make a call today. I want to see energy. Yesterday I tell me say I like Ras energy. And yesterday I said, today we up on the phone and the same thing a man I say phone energy same way.
You want him?
Ras.
Okay.
Come can spend milk up. Him chewing me. Ras. I'm gonna tell you something, man. Ras, I'm gonna tell you something, Ras. It's hard to get this one. I'm gonna broke him down certainly. A big people. I won't know enough. I won't know enough.
I don't want him on the thing, you know.
Ras, but I won't do it. I can't blame him. What? Yes, look.
Yeah, man, Rastafari. Yeah, man, blessed. Grandson, say hello. All of you look on the camera, say hello. Say hello, look there, that way. Say hello.
Hello, grandson.
That's my grandson, yeah?
Hello, grandson.
No, sure. Hello. I'm going to get lollipop, come. Alright, go on with daddy. Daddy down there.
Yesterday I said I gave it to you. For my birthday, yes. For my birthday, I said I already yesterday.
Come on, blessed and I'm a virgin. Come on, blessed man, give thanks. You know, there are all a look of positive vibes, you know.
Why you get dog said today when the dog call me?
Yeah, me ask about the virgin.
And I say I the same way the energy connect up cry. I see him where.
I see him, so you go for
Yeah.
show, man.
And that the dog that said that energy just right on connect up.
Where it is? Yeah, I told him, but I was just saying that to him just to keep him quiet. I don't know if your grandma maybe bring some when she's coming. Big up everyone in Syria, everyone all over the world. Big up the people in Indonesia. All of my Haitian fans them. Big up Texas, Washington, Florida, Atlanta, Brooklyn, Bronx, the whole of America. I was looking for you to thing, you know. I've checked
Grandma for your lollipop, baby.
That different them fire. Hold it. Get up. All right. Come on. You make me jump. Go on, man. I'll push up the door. England with them. big people time. He's on the youth.
Mic up again.
God, no. Come on, come.
Dance, JJ. Dance. Yeah, dance. Dance, JJ.
You should have really been about with Christian. I know you make your mother push with me. Come here. Come here, come here. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
They dance. Dance.
Yo, come here, man.
Upgrade the smart card machine and save money. Unlimited fusion data. With no longer contract.
JJ. That's a friend.
Start to work on people down there.
That JJ keep on the up.
Just start to work on people. People out there watching.
Hey, hey.
Are you to carry me in the money? Just go in the market.
Yeah, hold on there.
No, leave it, Coco.
Hey, hey!
Oh, welcome back. Alright, sorry about that. Alright.
Don't worry about yard.
Just monitor them through there because I have to
Them
go
just
around
want
and
to go in and go in, them want to go in. And inside them to them. Them not for your test. Come. Come on, you're going. Come on, man. Why? What me do it, Jay? You can't steal this. You know what? Go. Go.
Yes. Bless up on yourself. Bless up on yourself. What city? No, this is not London. This is Peterborough. We are in Peterborough. Bless up yourself, bless up.
Go on inside, go.
Oh, leave the door.
Sure. What?
Nah, yeah, so. Nah, right here. You don't think so? Yeah, I get the thing. I just got alone and
I mean, if you can get cinnamon powder.
Go on.
But I never had them on there.
Go on.
What you know, I think
Just share 6 if you come young.
Maybe it's a share food.
Put this inside of me.
You lock up your man in there. You lock him up in there and then. Right.
Just money time.
Temporary van insurance quote from 1 hour to 28 days from Go Sorting. Simply enter your reg, fill in your details, choose your quote and be on your way. Click now to get started. One.
Jump in, man. Eh? Alright, my friend. Plug in.
Still dark and stubborn, this a baby tell you dirty like a pot pan store. Bad Barbie, if me girl can't cover. Make sure the ring on my car a pour. Clip longer than clock, come on night, white like flower. Rich badness, a whole lifestyle. Everyone me bring the gun, yeah, I'ma hope me nigga them don't talk like gunna, yo. Spanish down to back bush.
I don't want them people to feel like because them thing in progress and them have students and them girls fun. I really don't want to do that. I know, but you better show over that.
Alright, me go back over.
Yeah. Them people, you know, and them, no problem or something. One of them things that we're having. Hold on, JJ, we sing something. JJ.
Like how we are going to talk here, I'm free mind. Come in now.
Davin.
JJ. Come. All right. Look. Eh? Yeah, you know what? No, it doesn't. Why not?
What's your unused phone call, ladybird? Vintage, you can just turn home item.
Let's say I want a plate. Plate look fire in a lie. No joke, madam. Hot. Pick you up in the BM. 2:30 in IPM. I see every day play active.
Rich madness, nothing else. Well, in life, fraud, but the real to himself and a BB Simon.
Play active, madam.
Designer shirt with the stars. Ends full of guns, start war and dead, yo.
Play active, man.
Fire it, hold your load and call her. For me, she'll die than them, yo. She's in a friend, she couldn't talk herself. Things are double up, we lost our beds. Two girl brain like boss, grab that. Get pussy free, nothing wanna walk and beg, yo. Jump to your pillar. If I'm a woman, I'm real dark. But I'm only like just dealer. But I'm only like just dealer. My roots 21, me I spent on weed. With a gun, palm, but even legal. We are the money like drugs dealer. But the money like drug cartoon, kill me, no sizzle down. We are talk about Griselda money, we are talk about book, big skin, can trouble, lockdown, can one, middle sex, and sorry. 3-wheel bike speed, girl, I watch it every time. Them a blow up, but we hard like cat, you every fire. Be like, no, so me sleep with my matic every night. Black spot, walk me in the traffic when I drive. Badness, that I want me like foresight. We look up to drive by feet night. It look like style when you never splash, but me half white. We don't know down and go on flights. Give me a ring, see how function. She pop up around the far. Fire it, hold your load and call her. More for me, she not done that bed, yo. She said it's such a good dark herself. So he said double up, he lost that bed. Two girl day like boss, grab bed. Get pussy free, nothing on the walk and beg, yo. Drop to your pillar. If I'm a woman, I'm a real guy. But I'm only like just dealer. But I'm only like just dealer. My roots 21, me I spent on weed. With a gun, palm, but even legal. We are the money like drugs dealer. But the money like drugs. Pick you up in the BM. 2:30 in the PM. Can't be my real love. But I'm gonna send a couple in my DM. Oh my, this is a dividend. Push up on the ends. Rich really nice from but we're real to itself and I'm Simon VV's diamond, ice lamb in a shirt with the star ends full of guns, start war and dead, yo.
And you can visit in real life or use augmented reality.
Oi! Hey! Wala mo na? Ay, wala mo magkira. Eh? Yawa. I finish first and good now. First and good. No man, that's what I'm telling you. Like a 2 or 3 feet. Wicked warm up water, fuck. Come back, my boy, now. Get my skip down. Yo, fuck up over.
Pepper? A pepper?
No, swallow when I see them.
Backside. Hey, a pepper one, give a pepper.
You have the lemonade inside it.
We have fizzy. Davin, you want fruit punch drinks?
Eat a pepper in there, but me say me just come on.
Punch.
Eat
We
one of
have
them.
punch.
Come on, me eat one of them.
Yeah, when I see kind of rice.
Put my food in the microwave, because I
In there.
can't eat my food.
In the man. We have punch in there.
Did I eat this? Yo. Okay? Yo. Yo. I want to try cook. I don't feel like it's not good enough.
Don't worry.
Yeah, but you just have feeling. Me not get caught, dog. One thing me tell myself.
So what do you say? So that's a problem with it. That's a problem with it.
Oh, that's what I'm saying, life. Hard because I'm for the life. Life, we used to life, bro. No, I don't care about life. Life, if you can't do nothing, I will tell you. You do nothing. You don't say nothing what you tell you. You're not going to do it yet. Take the beat and I talk to myself. You know the way there? And every man has a win. And I do something and them the win. So him do and him know him fail. Yeah, but if same back up, yeah. But you see why? You just do this and I'm not make a try to. Yeah. I'm going to say food, no pepper now. No pepper. But I just say, I just fall like, I just fall out of the day. Red Bull in the house, man. Red Bull in my bed. You can't call it. What am I calling it? What am I calling it? What am I calling it? I want to go to the house. I'm on my food now, I'm hungry enough for. You know? Yeah, I'm hungry, I'm eating my food. That's what we are now. I eat too fast, I have it hard.
I would have bleach. That's how confections go in the bleach.
And we not frying for nobody. At least he has a garden. I have some neighbors similar to him and make what? Pops in the streets. Back for me. No, I'm not paying no money, man. I'm telling you, I don't know me want from. I'm not paying no money.
Anything you have, that me can't own one. No found no boy love run the bar, but just know I mean name is a whole moon. But say can't get no chance for this me. And if I try that it risky, me I'll fix things. Nothing but bathroom in a bed for use me. Prefer all my pistol, it kill me. Remember say me no friends, nobody.
Yeah. I was saying to the other day, so you will live in the shop. And you make the punch and you sell it in the shop. Soon as. What we need to know, we just need to know what can tell you. So in case you guys study with any allergy.
Yeah, man, but sorry. We're not going to do. When they want it, I used to not go better place. You can first to start off.
Yeah.
We didn't pour out.
Yeah.
We make the carrot, the beetroot.
All you need to know is what you can take.
Yeah, man.
Tell you.
You know.
What happened is,
Every time I get
what happened is
something
doing the class with some really even me when they come out and say they got the certain, they don't serve seasoning.
You know that. But at the same time,
Well, yeah, definitely. No, sorry, I'm punch.
Because they never do. Make it straight. That's what they are special. What you call it? It's called exposing like food. The third one. We get that. And we cash it. We pay.
Father God, me a beg you, do not make them catch me in a spot and them attack and not keep knowing how the Glock and if them broke up on the cops. Do not make them find the lock spot and if them do this, make me pray for fire shot me car. I am that old boy. I hold for chest now, man, I know, bro. Protect me chains, so me travel with the 4-4 and I know what them a pray when them get on closed door. Yeah, cause this is simple call life. I know sitting where you are, feel nice. I feel like you're gonna need when you got price. Cause you not get no bonus when you're baptized. Yeah, and this is simple call life. You don't get the chance to think twice. People really evil inside. So I do anything to live mine. This is simple call life. Something called chance. Some niggas can't come up with me alright. Now like if you cut me, you walk up eyes. But don't look in a snake and crocodile eyes. Now I feel like don't think like me and it was fine. Never see a journey where smooth like time. But watch for us and now we fire carbine. One bag of rifle for fight man. This is simple call life. I know sitting where you are feel nice. I feel like you're gonna need when you got Christ. Cause you not get no bonus when you baptized.
Davin, you're the fan line?
You know get the chance to think twice. People really evil inside. So me I do anything to live mine. Yo, dog, trust, stop that shit. Coffee my trust cage lick like rat, but shit. Missing man, just and dead dog, and that's not me. Once people still a bad man, I drop badness. And glass that Chris from my two. Long and clicks, and every shot tonight longer than bam bam sticks. Cause Mr. Friend, I make it things turn run and chat me. And Mr. Girl, me used to wife turn in a bad bitch.
Just do that.
Feel like all of me, I done too fast. I mean, they want for this, just me and Jake, no suit that. But only suit me, I ain't I'm most of us moonwalk. I'm not too dark, my boss they made me just too dark. But I'm love to see the school like me no go school class. I'm not trust you from the enemy and your looks dark. But I just too. Cause it's a sitting call life. I'm not sitting where you are feel nice. I feel if you're gonna evil when you got Christ. Cause you not get no bonus when you're baptized. Yeah, and this a sitting call life. You don't get the chance to think twice. People really evil inside. So me I do anything to live mine. Father God.
Yes, said them man do me bad. I'm to forgive you and me kill you now no pussy.
People never see like Jupiter. Full of scars, but nobody knows. So me take up the gun and me no put it back. Can't judge nobody, do me run me and looking at. If someone you would have came for you, do me that.
I'm telling me baby man said to like
You was if you baby myself. Always I go find you. Something from Bingy, I go solve my brain. In my life, I come to please nobody. Fuck your mama, my friend.
how am I need for reading the comment for? I don't know if it's on shit. And shit in a plate. Why I need for reading a bum buckler comment? Why I need for reading a comment? I want to know, boy. I need my read a single comment. I don't need to do it fam.
It's already in my head. I don't know for right now. If you I don't know if I'm like that be again. What? Believe me, sure if you don't believe it, don't we? Evil down we. Rifle, I jump across it.
Bro, I just pick out when I want to pick out. Because I now make no drain me energy. You see me? I now make you who are talking from, you have to be a dog shit. You have to be a shit in a plate. You're a dog shit, man. I don't pay your mind. That's why I don't read it. You know, the first night, I read every comment and I couldn't get in my head and some start behave one different way. No. When I not do it, when I not do it. Last night, tonight, I can't do it. I not talk, you're mad. I don't need to read every comment, fam. First night, I never calm. I calm now. You don't need it. You don't think I could unblock you or something? I could unblock you or something long time, but I don't need to do that. First time to not get in my head, but you can't do it now. Allow me lawyer, man. Allow me lawyer. Make your chat now. Fool you fuck. First night me make gonna get in my head. I'm not gonna get in my head again. I'm mad. Not too long, about half an hour ago, I read some amount comment because I screen record some amount and I screen record some amount. And I watch back on the comment. And when I look on it, I don't mean shit. I swear. I don't mean shit, but you come there so I make nice. When I read in the comment, that's why I can come there so normal. And normal, me normal, you don't know, right now. I don't know my feelings now, no sir. First time I don't read it, not now. When I realize for some morning, I'm sitting down in the bed and sleeping night. I'm not doping. No kind. I'm not my feelings. The first time I take them on, I'm feeling. Dunce on the dunce, man, but it not even look dark and not Jamaica. It's sound of dunce. One bag of dunce head people over here, so me they think me dunce, but when I dunce on me, on the fool of fuck. Yeah, and the first time it's clear car tonight. I'm going to read back to my film in London. I go to the darkest part of blood clot one countryside they live in about free London. I think I not say I use for a one night they post all their bad comment them. They are shit bag. Yeah. Bones. Bones. A one room, you and your mother live in a Bones. Your mother can man come and your mother over there so grind and you lie down over the next part of the room and watch. Cause suck your mother Bones. I still give me tell them also. Yeah, me don't eat and he's mad at me. No Bones, I'm not mad at you, fam. I'm not mad at you. You know why? Because I'm in the fucking UK. Where are you? Where are you? I'm not mad at you. It means nothing. Of course I know. I can't make them people. I said the first time I was watching you people, seeing you guys comments, I was so mad. But then I realized when I checked the next morning, you people made me go viral. So I'm not mad at you guys. I'm happy. Bad comments, good comments, anything. I'm glad. When I'm go viral. Oh, if you don't think I'm a customer that come, anyone that you know see them a real come. You can't see that coming out to come to go and see free. I know the word right. what? I keep selling. I'm me, that's it. I'm me, that anything I have to say, I'm 50 people. Me, I can sit on the front of it. $100 for that car, you know. I'm going to jump on the move and see. Sell. It means nothing. Because the other day I asked something and he did not know, even though he said it. I mean, I really want to follow up certain argument with you. I mean, I need to follow up certain argument with you. Because the first time I did that follow up with you, I must say, all like people where I make good comments, who are making good comments on me, I did not even realize these people. I was just paying mind to you people with the bad and the negative comments. And I ignore all the good people. But now, I'm just looking. If I see your bad comments, I won't look on it. I won't reply. Maybe I'll reply. But I'm just looking for the people with the positive reply to me on this live. Yeah. I straight and plain, man. Apparently, I help you. What is that? Come on, if you can't pronounce a blood clot thing in here, man. Tell me the name, man. Pronounce it for me. That one. Miss, what? Miss like, what is it? Aha, yeah, you're not mad because you died to come to UK. No, me tell him I can read them, but me not answer. Bro stood in some random there front garden. Was just banter. Where you at? What place? Let me guess now. What you in? Man's not hot. Can't tell if a man or a woman. Yo, them people here. You know, I say me like, you know, run up the views for the last 2 days. I was not even having these amount of followers and these views. But you people, of course, do it. Continue. Look scared, man. Scared for what?
I've dropped a sub. Somebody said I've dropped a sub. What does that mean? Subscribe. Thank you. Say thank you to that person.
Thank you very much, yeah? Thank you very much for the sub, yeah? Thank you. I gave the poor man a like. Thank you, Diana.
You said I think it's Jared.
Oh, woman, that you bit sensitive. Of course, me a human being, but me now make no get in my skin. Of course, me sensitive. Why? Because I'm a human being. I'm still not making no get now. I be a bad comment him put up, so I don't feel like you see him there where him or her or a transmission. I don't feel like I be things him chat.
Somebody sending me a
Trying to see. Well, I didn't mean anything about it. My bad man. Yo, watching the bones. When I watch a minivan.
I'm from
Minivan.
Come and look what Ragamuffin is saying. This person says this is social media. You can't be sensitive. You can't show them what gets you angry because then they're gonna hit you where it hurts.
Nobody not lick me where it hurts. Nobody hits me where it hurts. Because nobody have touching me physically. Them just attack pan ya so. It not hurt me. Why would I say that? Don't get the wrong impression. Fuck you. Them they work the can't touch me so. Huh? No, it's first time. Yeah, it's first time. First time with that. But no. It's first time alone.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, you gone with yes. Could you speak proper? Ah, you feel I'm alone. You know you walk on, you know why I'm not speak proper. No, I'm not talk to him one bit. I just one thing. I be rude for just 1 second. So all over here, just bear with me for 1 second. I cannot even call your name, because your name, you know how your name look? Your name look like your mother. I make your name when your father back out time. He never want to make you. So him back out time pum. So you know he come not for catching there. I saw your name look. So I saw me never answer because you hungry somebody over here so I talk bad. And I talk something. Your father never want blood clot make you. You know see? You're unwanted pitney. Your father never want to make you. You think like that. Back him up, that's your neck. Oh, life. Alright, so I'm going to be like, come in my car, keep on. I'm going up. Don't vex, cousin. Don't vex. No. I up with them. I'm sitting there, my talk to. Y'all look upon them? No, look upon them, my son. Where? How long? You guys are not serious. Which people change me? Nobody not change me. Nobody not change me. Why you ask that? Nobody not change me. Comment section is killing me. Cause them people are real shit. Some people don't have nothing to do. Them just don't have no life. They are tired of watching their moms. Then tired for watch their mother. Then tired for watch their father. So them have to come on live and try to feel like so they can be threat to people. You see me? But they're not threat to me.
Listen, me around here, so me a
Matt Perry or Matt Perry. Nobody no need to change no toothbrush. You know what you need to tell your mother say. You need to tell your mother say for change in thinking pussy. And go get one cow pussy, cause cow pussy better than your mama thinking sour pussy. Yo! Yo! JJ, get inside. Boy, you don't finish guy right already. Get inside. You need to come going. You can't make it hear me. Boy, JJ. Get inside, fam. No, if me block them, my name change. Why me block them? I don't need to block them because in the past 2 days, all these people, we reach so many views. We got so many views. All because of those people. So I don't need to block them.
Thank you.
One thing inside of it.
Eh?
One arm thing inside of it.
Alright, look here. Alright, Raga. What's your name? Ragamuffin. Ragamuffin. Just look into this. Make this make sense, Ragamuffin. Make this make sense, you know. Yeah, say. A true way that the P Diddy party make we get so much view. Who are you? Are you a man or are you a woman? So if you know that it was a gay party, why did you sit there and watch it? Me just answer on intelligent now. Me not rude to you, know. Me not rude to you like what they are, but me just say, make it make sense to me. If you know that it was a gay party, a P Diddy party, that's why we got so many views. Why did you sit there and watch it? What that makes you? No, just make it make sense. Me not be aggressive. No, nothing. But me just say, make this make sense. If you sat there and you know for a fact that it was a P Diddy party, why the fuck did you sat there and listen it? Eh? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Yeah, just make it make sense. If me know, you know, me dance. If me know, see them type of party there. Because why would I sit there? I sit down and watch it from. What that make, what make me? Oh, P. Diddy. No, listen what I'm going to tell them, say that make them. You know what that makes you? That makes you a P. Diddy daddy or a P. Diddy mommy. If you're a woman, you're a P. Diddy mommy. If you're a blood clot man, you're a P. Diddy daddy. Fuck you. You. What that makes you? Huh? What that makes you? Sitting there watching that party. Stupid. Where my dog there? Here, boy, what is that? What's up? Watch, see how much my phone now, my dog. I getting in your mother head. Can't get in my head. Nobody can get in my head there, so. Right though. It was I did the party love. But me I say what make you? Are you a man or you a woman? If you are a man, that means you are Diddy daddy. And if you're a woman, that means make sure Diddy mommy. Why would you sit there and watch it? Why? How much for phone? Give me my come to the family. Eh? What the hell? pussy, you have to know where you are. You have to know you're bang. You know you're bang on the whole place. You can't do that. You're not going to take it. You go. Jump up on it. Jump up on it. One of them guys who tell them what to do. Ring. You know how I tell you for ring what? German cars. Watch out. Yeah, watch out. Show up in blood there. I will have it tonight, but we have a black. Leave off and make a sugar restart there. Atlanta, we are restart live. Atlanta, we are restart live. Right now, I'm turning on the audience control. better blood clot now, doctor. Alright. Alive. Come on, jump up the screen and top up the screen. Everyone. You are here for a long time. You are here for a good time, not long time. I like that. Who said we are talking about a comment? CJ, you said we are here for a good time, not a long time. And my friend said you had your leader mix this morning because we might have. I'm sorry, no worries. You're always making. Make sure no. Make sure it comes. We're not bad. We're not bad. So you can go. Yeah, man, understand. No man understand. Come in a frying for nobody. Yeah, man, I saw it, and I saw it, go daddy. In a move on, I'll leave, and I'm in a go bunny. So me no fit to tell nobody, because of mommy, you can just put up my man, I was looking at the comment. So me no fit to tell nobody, because of mommy, you can just put up my man, I close more than cheap. Still no push, still more than cheap. Why you saying that? Run feet, prefer all the cold concrete. Just money out of trap, yeah. I'm pretty. I was looking so so I didn't see what you were typing in. So I had to scroll back down. Then I saw it. Nobody. So I put it right. My answer was up here. Before replying to everything. Shiba! Active in the topic. Yeah, man. I want to get anybody. Anything you have, then we can hold, man. No found no boy, love run no bar, but just know I mean, near me, so all my own parts, I can't get no chance for this man. If I try that situation, give me a fix things. Nothing but bad soon, and I beg for you. If I hold my pistol, it kill me. Yeah, I'm going to send me the prayer, but you know what? That's that! My dog. Acted like one. That's a very big. Awesome. Not with the next to London. Yeah. Good about. What back to you, Captain? Dog, I saw it on my birthday, and that is about all. Right now, sometimes I need to want to sleep. Sometimes I don't want to sleep. But on my birthday, or free birthday, or short birthday, I just don't want to sleep. I want to pull up, I send the last night, the man, I After 12 man left from up yard last night from nothing and nothing. And before bump up like 1 o'clock, my dog, the dog stood down that side. My dog got here last night. But it's up, because you don't have to go away too much. You don't keep going. That's good. Yeah. I want weekend same man and that's yo. But we are there still, we not work. That's why I come to reach at one time, we are I'm a respect mama, I'm a respect mama, I'm a rate mama, damn me I play the car mama, you go back from. Big difference that makes the last one. Big difference. One thing I have an idea. Acid. Yeah, you're up on the left, that's right there. Come here, sure, you didn't mention just now, but that's different. Yeah, but that's through the time on the reach. We never expect something to use. No, maybe I expect it early. Remember, we never reached the deadline. Early, 2 times I'm coming here. 2 times I'm coming here. No, him. Yeah, that's so chatty. And that's it. We leave up to come there, man. Listen it. And that's what I did here. When you guys have to we have to use the one to will right love them. I will. Pussy necessary, but we will never go ahead. But look how you buy a seal, me after a team of different. You know, it's so global by YouTube at 36,000 you will never YouTube go on. You look up on the thing. You're a madman. Quick! Quick charge! A quick! I tell us. Tell us. Say a quick charge. Big. Yeah, the fire all over TikTok, 36,000 views. But look. Yeah, this them my yard said, no, Davin, no, he hate them, no, he hate them. All over YouTube, but look over there, you blood. Now look over there. Push them, say my dog. Say my dog, there no muck down in the back, right? The back of the dog. On YouTube. Say my dog, I'm going to back. You no muck down in the back. I'm going to put the back away down, I'm going to good job. I know I'm going to look. Yeah, but them don't know. I mean, you fuck up a two back in the boy. Well, I can't believe you fuck up, got you. Alright, guys. There we go. Why? If I didn't get this like last year. Well, we will just fly back to that one without I do me go up next year. I mean, I alone, I'm going to see that. After K alone, I got that son alone. Possible. Something like that. Alright. Let me get you for that speed like how you come for the black. Yeah? Don't be even fuck it. No, I'm not anything. We don't even go at the time and say that we're going to go to the country. Remember, a year ago, get to the top. No. And that's me. So when I tell me to see yourself, you have to say, if maybe you can picture of it, because picture of it is not in our firm deal now. I'm going to say, I think it's a large bucket. A large bucket, I'm going to pick up the poor winner. And it be quarter, quarter or three. Ha! You can't say that. Don't say that. How much you talk about the last time? Alright. Well, I don't want to say, but look at them. What are you give? But what's the case this last year? Rush, yeah. Rush got 2 back to work. Yeah, but you can't get it. Like him job, big blood clot happen with a small kind of thing. When next black for London, yeah, next one. Stacy all there back to the regular game. Stacy all there back to the and it's not till I'm going to break. Boy, when that morning, it was just a big buckle like this, man. I can tell you left in that man. I will crack it in that morning after beating. Before Sunday evening done, it's hard. I never had a dodging gun. I rubbed the machine. tell you something, I don't give a damn. All every fuck up, every check fuck up too. I'm not gonna check. I'm a rich man, you know that. Yeah. If me a worry about that. I remember one buckle of rum me a drink before you come to gym. I want to